How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Tipbox video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go live on Instagram. So as you can see in the top left hand side corner, you can see a little plus. I want you to click on that plus right there, and then I want you to click on story. So once you're on story, it's going to come out of an option of story or live. So in this case we want to go live, so we're going to want to click on live. So once you're here, we ain't actually live right now, but you can click on this button here, which will take you live. But right now I'm just going to show you the little filters that you can use while you are on live. So they're pretty cool, so you might want to mess around with them. Once you click this button here, checking connection, and then you're going to go live. You're now live. So now we are live with our followers now, so they can start joining in. So once you want to end your live, you then want to press end now, and it's going to give you an option to either share this video with your IGTV, download this video onto your phone, or it's going to allow you to delete the video. So in this case, we just want to delete the video because we're not going to be using it for any reason, and it's going to bring you back to your profile page. So another thing I want to show you as well is going to be another way which you can go live, which is going to be clicking on this up here, the little camera, and you want to click live. So exactly the same way, you want to click on that little button there, and it's going to check connection, and then it's going to bring you live. So you want to end it and now, and delete the video if you don't want to use the video. You can choose to share it to your IGTV. Okay, so guys, that is how you go live on Instagram.